Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Finally got the Garage 004 or the Europe 75. It took a while to get. To be honest, I don't really agree with Leatherman's process for the garage thing. Mine took a week before it shipped. Yeah, which isn't great. But anyway, let's have a look at it. So I haven't opened it myself. Wanted to open it on camera for the first time and have a look at it. So these are the standard Leatherman boxes the garages normally come in, and a lot of the other tools. So let's open it up. Oh wow, as you can see, Leatherman, this box is a lot smaller than the normal garage releases. Normally there's another box just pretty much this size in here. Some of them actually I think come in a box like this. So this is very small. Okay, so let's open this up. Oh, okay, so here's the the scarf, bandana, whatever we call this. This is actually quite big, so let's open it up and have a look at it. It's not going to come out completely on camera because it's quite a bit big. And then this side it says Leatherman Garage, which is very cool. And then a 7, and then maybe a wrong way around 7, and there it says Europe 75. Very, very cool. Gonna put that one side. Okay, so here's your paperwork for the garage. Let's look at that. You can pause here if you want to see it. Okay, and then there it is. I like always their foam little cutouts and stuff. It's got a nice weight to it. First of all, let's have a look at it. So serial number on this side, Leatherman Garage on it. This is actually, the coloring on this is very nice done. The coating is very nicely done. The Garage 3 parts, the coating wasn't great. When I opened mine, it was already chipped on places. This is actually nice. Nice little holder loop. Yeah, I haven't looked at the tools or anything, so I don't know what everything does, but maybe you can just hang it somewhere or something like this. I like how this is integrated, yeah, so it doesn't overhang. Let's open that up. The coating on this is very, very nice. It is, I don't like that it's molded away so much, but you're not going to put too much force on this, hopefully. And then corkscrew, got the corkscrew there. It's a very thin corkscrew compared to normal corkscrews, I want to say, but obviously with your spacing and stuff, still very nice. Okay, let's close this up. And then this side, obviously the blade. This looks obviously same size as the T4. Watch out for the next video where we'll compare this one and the T4 and look exactly what's different and stuff. There is a lot more happening this side, so let's just see if we open. You see that part going through like that. Okay, let's open this up and see what else there is. Yes, the scissor. I always struggle to open the scissor, so got the little scissor, bottle opener, Phillips head, can opener, okay, little ruler, and it looks like with the picture you can get your bit holder in there, if I'm correct. If I'm wrong, please let me know in the comments. And then a little scraper, and then your awl. So all in all, very nice, guys, very nice. I really like the finishing. They really did well on the finishing of this. Yeah, very, very nice. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and look out for the next video where we will compare this against the free T4 and see the differences.